Is this thing on? Oh, good morning, boys and girls. I had to put on my good wig today because I had some great news. The turkey has been caught. I appreciate all your hard work. No more turkey, no more gobble gobble, no more running all around Hampton Roads all crazy. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next year.